Morning friends, today we are going to understand the other properties of this chapter. In the previous video, we have understood about the 5 different properties, which was appearance, which was shrink, float, hardness, softness, right? Now we are going to understand the next 5 properties of a material in this video. Now, the next 5 properties are transparent, translucent, opaque, soluble, insoluble. So, in this, first we have transparent. Transparent are those objects which do not allow the light to pass through them. That means we cannot see the object from the other side. We can see the object from the other side, right? In transparent objects, we can see the object from the other side. मतलब हम आर पार देख सकते हैं. As you can see in the examples also, glass window. ऐसे बहुत बार होता है that you have traveled in trains, you have traveled in flights and all. So you have seen that the window is having a glass, right? And you can see the sceneries outside. So that material is known as transparent material. Okay. So like cellophane sheet जो आप कॉपी कवर करते हैं वो भी ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल होता है. आप आसानी से देख सकते हैं what is in the front of your notebook, right? So you can see I have given few examples. This is a glass window. This is a timer. This is a glass like goggles, or you can say specs. This is a glass which is made up of glass material. This is a मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास, राइट? उसमें भी आपने देखा होगा कि हम चीजें देख सकते हैं जो आप लोग इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स के हैंड्स पे देखते हैं, राइट? एंड वी हैव दिस aquarium also, which is made up of glass, and you can see the fish and the flowers and the pebbles in it. So that means this glass is transparent, right? And we have this also, which is an example. As you can see, we are having the we are having these type of strips of black and white जो हम आसानी से water के through देख सकते हैं, right? Because it is made up of glass and the water is also clear, and it is an example of transparent material, right? So transparent material means which allow light to pass through them, or we can say that we can see object through, we can see through that object clearly. Okay. Now next property is translucent. ये transparent की तरह ही होता है, but it is little different. That means it allows the light to pass through them, but partially. Partially का मतलब क्या होता है? थोड़ा light जाने देता है और थोड़ा light को रोक लेता है, ठीक है? And we cannot see the object so clearly through this, right? The example can be dusty glass window. Glass पे अगर dust चढ़ जाती है तो ये तो देख सकते हैं कि somebody is standing at the other side, but you cannot see the pictures. You cannot see the face of that person, right? And then butter paper also. So we have third type of property, which is opaque. Opaque is a kind of material which do not allow light to pass through them. बिल्कुल allow नहीं करता light को आर पार जाने का, and we cannot see the object from the other side, right? For example, table, chair, book. You can see a torch to light फेंक रहा है apple पे, but you cannot see any kind of thing. Light यहीं पे obstruct कर देता है, right? And a shadow will be made of an apple. So that means it is an opaque object. No light can pass through them. And this is in comparison given to you, like you can see transparent, translucent, opaque. So you can see that a transparent thing, this child is standing, you can see the face completely and very clearly. In translucent, you cannot see the face so clearly. थोड़ा blur नजर आ रहा है हमें. And in opaque, I cannot see the face at all, right? Now again, this is a comparison. This is a giraffe. You can see you cannot see anything in opaque side. The translucent is having a blur image. Blur मतलब धुंधला है. And in transparent, you can see it very clearly. Now next property is soluble. Soluble का मतलब होता है घुल जाना. So substance which completely disappear or dissolve in water are called soluble in water, right? पानी में जो चीज इजीली घुल जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट एंड शुगर. आपने देखा होगा मम्मी ने लेमन जूस बनाया और मम्मी ने मीठा पानी बनाया. वो कैसे होता है? You can see in this picture also that this is simple water. Then the person has taken sugar and mixed it. तो आप देख रहे हैं गायब हो जाता है ना? See, you can see गायब हो गया ना. एक बार मिलाया तो गायब हो गया, फिर एक और बार मिला रहे हैं, राइट? So this is known as soluble, right? So soluble means अगर आप कोई चीज मिक्स करते हैं, so it's after some time it will not be separated in the water. आप अलग से उसे नहीं देख पाएंगे, इस तरह से disappear हो जाएगा, right? दिखाई ही नहीं देगा बिल्कुल. You can do any kind of activity at home. Just tell your mom to give you a glass of water and sugar, and just put 1 spoon in your glass and mix it vigorously. Vigorously मतलब जल्दी जल्दी mix करिए, ठीक है? आराम से mix करिएगा, पानी split ना हो. And after few seconds you will see that the sugar crystals will disappear. वो sugar crystals आपको नजर आएंगे ही नहीं, right? So that means the sugar is soluble in water. Now next is insoluble, and insoluble means those things which do not dissolve in water. मतलब जो disappear नहीं होते and do not dissolve in water. This is known as insoluble in water. Like sand, clay, dust, chalk powder. You can see this is a kind of sand और ये पानी है. इसमें जब हमने डाला तो ये अलग से दिख रहा है. It do not mix at all. And you can see this also. We have mixed oil and sand. Still कुछ नहीं mix हो रहा है ना. See, अलग से मुझे सैंड की लेयर नजर आ रही है, पानी की लेयर भी नजर आ रही है एंड ऑयल की लेयर भी नजर आ रही है. ऑयल फ्लोट्स. इसमें देखो फ्लोट एंड सिंक आल्सो वी कैन से. द ऑयल फ्लोट्स इन द वाटर बिकॉज ऑयल की डेंसिटी कम होती है पानी से, ठीक है? एंड दिस सैंड सिंक्स इन द वाटर बिकॉज सैंड की डेंसिटी ज्यादा है पानी से, ठीक है? So this is the 5th property in this video. So total we have learned about 10 properties in chapter 4, and it is very important. I hope you like this video, and you need to understand all the properties very carefully and also read the chapter as well. Thank you.
Going to see few examples of the objects which we have learned. So first is transparent object. As we have learned that in transparent object the light passes through it completely, so we can see the object very clearly. For example, you can just see that it is normal, so you can see the Hindustan Times written. And now I am putting this plastic bottle. Can you see the Hindustan Times and can you read it clearly? So this plastic is transparent. So this is a plastic bottle which is transparent in nature, which says that we can see the object from the other side very clearly. Now we are going to see few examples of translucent object. So you can see this bag is made up of jute, and the Hindustan Times is written, but it is not so much clear as we have seen in the transparent object. So that means the light is passing through it, but it is partially passing, okay? So it's not so clear. So it's an example of translucent object. Now we are studying about and seeing the example of a opaque object. This is a phone, and can you see the Hindustan Times written? No, you cannot see at all because it is an opaque object. Opaque object do not allow the light to pass through it. When it is not allowing, so we are not able to see the object. So these are the examples of transparent, opaque and translucent objects.